If you have one of these Manfrotto or Joby handheld tabletop tripods here, what sometimes happens is the ball mount gets loose. So the way that this works is there's a little release here, and that's how this half ball moves around to 90. But then depending on how long you have it and how much abuse this goes through, this is going to lose its grip. So what I did was on the bottom of this one and the Joby, this is the Manfrotto one, and then I'll show the Joby one in a minute. I was having that exact same trouble where no matter how I was tight it was up here, my GoPro was just slipping off this. So I needed to tighten it up. So that's what I did. Over here, this is my ratchet set. And this is what the Joby looks like when you tear it apart. This is the top half, and this is what the bottom looks like. Here's what the release is. And then now it's tight. See these 4 screws right there? I don't know what size wrench that is, what size that is, but I found it here, and I was able to tighten. These were loose, so I just tightened them up, and now I'm going to put the rest of this together. There's one plate like this that goes on top here, like that, and then the legs all fit in on the corners. And this is the main cap, so let me put this together. And this one right here is a different size. Tighten that up. There we go. Yep, that is tight. Just like the Manfrotto. That took me about 5 minutes, but at least I know this is going to last longer than some of the cheaper tabletop tripods that are all plastic and aren't adjustable.